This talk covers aspects that need consideration before, during, and after using personal fall protection equipment, PFPE. Serious injuries on site caused by falls all are preventable. Using personal fall protection equipment can save lives before use. Inspect and record equipment is fit for use on your pre-use check sheet. The use of PFPE should be considered as a last resort. Other, more suitable equipment should be used where possible. Factors to consider include the type of work, its location, how long it will take, and how often it will take place. The risk assessment produced. You should be trained in the PFPE you are required to use, e.g. fall restraint, work positioning, rope access, or fall arrest. The equipment must be inspected to check that it is serviceable and suitable for the current task. You should be trained on how to carry out a pre-use check and the types of faults you should be aware of. Use the check sheet you are given. You should be briefed on the task to be carried out, including details about safe anchor points you can use and the limitations of the equipment in question. Work must stop if the prevailing weather conditions make it unsafe to continue. Safe use. You must not misuse any equipment that is provided for your safety. Deliberate interference with safety-critical equipment is a criminal act. You must report any defects immediately so the equipment can be withdrawn from use. Do not make running repairs. Always ask a colleague to check your harness is fitted properly prior to carrying out your given task, e.g. no twists in the webbing, lanyard is secured to the rear D-ring, and all locking buckles are locked in position. You must only use designated anchor points that you have been instructed to use. When working off a MIPAIS, never use an anchor outside the working area of the platform, e.g. using the building structure. If something goes wrong, you put yourself in danger of suffering suspension trauma, which can quickly kill you. PFPE must be formally inspected by a competent person at the following minimum frequencies: every 6 months for normal use, every 3 months for arduous conditions, environments or occupations, chemical areas, mines, etc. Interim inspections, as determined through a risk assessment. Installed systems, horizontal and vertical lines as per manufacturer's recommendations. After use, all equipment must be inspected for damage and recorded on record sheet relevant to piece of kit, and any defects with the equipment must be reported promptly and correctly and then inspected by a competent person. Equipment must be clean and dry before being stowed away in a protective bag or box. Adequate records of the condition and usage of the equipment must be maintained and available on request. Thanks for your time, and remember, your safety comes first.